What I'm explaining, we find very difficult. How to accept that God has become all? That person is not behaving very well, having all the time creating problem, criticizing all the time. How can I accept that king cobra is God, lion is God, wolf is God? I can't accept it. That bacteria inside pharynx, throats, which is creating pharyngitis, how can I accept it is God? No, if you are not able to accept that it is God who has become all, then we are doing mistake, we are doing sin. If we are doing sin, we will suffer. And then how to suffer willingly? There is the way how to suffer willingly. You have to crucify your ego consciousness. Ego consciousness means false concept. And how to crucify? Jesus was crucified, not Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ crucified Jesus consciousness. Jesus Christ remains eternal and He is alive even today. I will explain this in detail in future. But what I want to explain, how to accept willing crucifixion of ego consciousness or bad habit. Our head and spine is the altar of God, where you will find complete truth. Whenever you are not able to accept, it is God who has become all, place both palm on the posterior surface of head, this is the medulla area, and concentrate on head to toes more and more, more and more. Try to become one with the head and spine, then you will start realizing that power of senses is increasing, power of mind is increasing, power of reasoning power is increasing, and you will find that your senses and mind is becoming more and more powerful. Then you will have ability to knock and knock and knock, door will be opened. You will never lose patience. Therefore, you have to accept willing punishment. And what is the punishment? Try to crucify your ego consciousness. What is the crucifixion of ego consciousness? Try to concentrate on altar of God where there will not be any limitations. Then where is altar of God? Your head and spine is altar of God. Place your both palm on the posterior surface of head and feel head and spine more and more. Concentrate on it more and more, and you will start realizing that power of senses and power of reasoning and power of mind are increasing constantly. The moment you think that you are having more power of senses, more power of mind, then you will have no tiredness in approaching again and again. Then you are going to practice the true principle of biblical truth, that knock and knock, knock, door will be opened. The moment you realize it is God who has become all, still you have to practice discipline in this visual universe. In the visual manifested form of God, you have to practice discipline. What is discipline? God has become cow and God has become you. Then you will stay here, cow will be in cow shade. God has become tree, then I can't plant a tree here. Here you will be there, tree will be there. Therefore, each and every creation will be placed in their own order. We will never commit any mistake in our behavior. Therefore, moment you have any critic position, any disliking of anything, just try to accept willing crucifixion of ego consciousness, that is concentration on altar of God, and within head and spine there is altar of God. Immediately start concentrating on head and spine. This is the brief message of today, and I hope that we all together, this small congregation is never small. If you are accepting this, you are billions and billions population. The number of human beings you can count on this earth. But if you practice this sincerely, your strength and potential and numbers is infinite. You will make complete change on this earth. Whatever you listen today, if you are able to practice this completely, then this number, whatever we have today in this congregation, is sufficient to make complete change on this earth, to stop war among nations, and to make all persons rich in the world, It is not that if you are rich, then you are peaceful. No. All person has to be rich. All person has to get everything whatever they want. This is for today's message. Let us bow down to each other with the deepest devotion that it is God who has become all. We are very, very fortunate to bow down and to express our deep devotion.